Welcome to the Savvis Realize platform. Each of your classes will appear as a class card like you see here, with quick links along the bottom with important information about each class. On the right side of the screen under My Programs is where you'll find the courses that you can access to create learning experiences for your students. We've preloaded these class cards with some of the features you'll find in the Envision Math program, including select lesson items, a Math Excel assignment, and a 3-act math lesson. Let's take a look at some of these lesson items. What you see here is called a playlist. Teachers can select different items from a lesson or even multiple lessons and add them to a playlist. Those items will appear along the top of the page as tabs in the order that you put them in. This view allows you to see exactly what the students would see and to interact with the items the same way that a student would. The first tab in our playlist is one of our problem-based learning activities. This one happens to include a Desmo Center activity. When you're ready to move on, click any of the tabs along the top of the page and explore some of the other resources that are embedded in the program. This is the first example in this particular lesson. Notice that it has the lesson essential question, math tools, a study tip, and a step-by-step explanation of the example they're working on. Make sure to check in the bottom right-hand corner for additional parts to the example and for formative assessments. When you're finished exploring the playlist, click the Savvis Realize or the Home button to go back to the home page. Now let's check out one of our courses. Now this is the course home page. The area in the middle is where you would go to do a quick search. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll find links to the 3 versions of the e-text and a link to the tools that you can use to help you with your course. The table of contents on the left side of the screen is where you'll spend most of your time planning for your course. Each of the topics and lessons and all the other resources follow the same order as in the Teacher's Edition. Let's check out topic number 6, lesson 2, to find out where we got all the resources we used to create that playlist we saw earlier. As you can see, there are dozens of resources that support the lesson, and those resources follow the same order that you'll see in the Teacher's Edition. To preview or present any lesson item, click on the title and you'll see exactly what your students will see if you assign it. You can also use this feature to present the lesson to your students by clicking on the drop-down menu at the top of the page. And just like before, be sure to check in the bottom right-hand corner for additional parts to this item. When you're ready to move on, click the drop-down menu and select the next item in the list. Click the Exit button to go back to the lesson resource list. Click on Teacher Resources for lesson plans and an editable presentation. We hope you enjoyed this quick tour of the Envision Math program on the Savvis Realize platform. If you have any questions, or if there are other resources you'd like to see, please reach out and let us know.